Without DIO, we couldn't operate, we would cease to function. DIO provide a number of services to us, providing the training estate, and then providing the training establishment. It's world-class training areas out here. It's absolutely fantastic. We're really lucky to have two main training areas. So a training area called Archer's Post, which is quite well known to many people. It's arid, it's hot, it's challenging, really challenging area. And then areas closer to here, which offer different type of environment. They're a little bit greener, a little bit lusher, but a little bit more mountainous. We work with a number of landowners, but also we work with the local Kenyans in the use of community lands, and that's particularly the case up in Archer's Post. And so it's having that blend of training area that makes exercising out here both complex, difficult, but also very rewarding. At the moment we're split over a number of sites, so what that's allowing us to do is consolidate onto one site. It brings us modern facilities, which clearly makes our work much easier, and it allows us that coherence that at the moment we perhaps sometimes lack. I think the biggest challenge is ensuring that we deliver the right sort of training that meets the British Army's needs. It's always difficult to predict the sorts of theatres we might go and operate in next. So what we offer here is a basic foundation type of training to a battle group in a difficult area, complex terrain, and ensure that they leave here ready to go and operate anywhere in the world.